What's up and welcome. Today we're going to be fixing my Ford Focus ST1, my daily driver that I take to the track. Now the biggest problem that's going on right now is that it sounds like a Hellcat and we cannot have that. No, not really. It just has this weird whining sound, and I think it's coming from the PCV crankcase baffle plate, and those tend to leak on this car. It's a known issue that happens over time. Honestly, it's so stupid to say, but it's so embarrassing going through a drive-thru and hearing that coming out of the front of your car. It's super loud, super just dumb. It just sounds so dumb, and we just need to fix it. Let's go. All right, so now what we have in front of us is this beautiful box with all the parts that we need. We have the PCV baffle plate, we have the gasket, and we have the gasket for our intake manifold. Not only do we have this, we also have the best crew to help install with this baffle plate. So let's get it going. We'll tear this thing down. And what needs to happen is we have to take off the intake manifold because our baffle plate is right behind it. So let's get right to it. All right, so what needs to happen is we have to we'll remove this first. So I'm gonna
pop it off these clamps, don't you?
Yeah, that's all that you gotta do. Do that. And then down here is this clip. We gotta disconnect this clip. There we go. Oh, we're on a roll. We're already on a roll, dude.
Just cut it.
All right, I'm gonna be taking off the nuts using a 10 mil. I wonder what the torque spec of these are.
Did you count the turns?
That's the torque spec. The turn spec. Oh, for my city. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh.
Make room, make room.
Where is it? Oh, I see it. It's up there. Actually, I don't even think I have to. Let me get it. No, that's too long. I need a shorter one.
That's not what she said. Yeah, you got it with the stubby. This guy gets it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There we are.
Make sure you drop it on your engine, baby.
Yeah. Drop it right down in there. You got to feed the beast. Oh, look. She's coming out, boys. Where did I put the, oh, is that the 10? Stop it. You need to stop.
Hey, knock it off.
You need to leave. I'm going to do the throttle body connection. All right. What are you f***ers up to?
Nothing.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
All right.
Nothing.
Just start yanking stuff, right? That's what you're supposed to do. I don't know what connection or whatever it is.
It's the love connection.
Yo, the love. I love my 2-liter.
Light, please.
Here, I'll get a light. I'll get a lightsaber for you. Okay, Mr. 2-liter. Come on, dude. You got it. You got it.
You gotta perform under pressure.
Come on, under pressure.
I honestly.
Oh, another hand. Here, let's all do it at the same time. Come on, guys.
All right, so what are you pulling right now?
Right now, I'm pulling some kind of connection that's in the motor. It's with this same harness, and I have to disconnect it in order to get this thing out.
Intake off?
Unless
Yes.
if you pull all of your injector harness.
Yeah, which we're not gonna do, and I don't recommend whatsoever. We just figured it out with good old YouTube.
It's routed like that. Just pull it around.
Yeah, and then now we can disconnect it. All right, now we have one more connection down here.
There's a connection on the back side
My
right here
favorite
as
kind
well.
of connection.
There's a prong on the back side of this that locks onto right here on the back side of this plastic piece. And with these picks, you're gonna try and hit every vacuum line that you can find. So now we have.
Make sure to poke every single one of them.
It's to exhale all of your additional vacuum.
There's that.
This is a little tab for your purge valve.
When you put the magnet on the paintwork, make sure you move it in a jarring, scratching motion.
Yeah, when I put that down, it like, yeah.
Remember,
Did you hit it somewhere?
No, it's fine.
Where? Right here?
Nope.
No.
I don't really care. I'm
No,
gonna be
remember.
honest with you. Are the valves nasty?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would assume so.
I think my neons were cleaner than that.
That is so offensive. You see it? That white clip? Trying to get that. Damn, it's getting hot in here. Look at these hardworking boys.
Yeah, paying us a fine salary. Consists of Subway and McDonald's.
Didn't even get it hot and ready. Hot and sweaty.
That's how robots feel. He took his jacket off.
Yeah, I'm feeling hot and sweaty. Let's check out the valves. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that's nasty. Oh yeah, that's gross.
Walnut blasting.
Yeah, maybe. Something like that.
So this actually stays connected. You just pop it out.
Oh, I see.
All right,
There
so
we
we're
go.
gonna plug that back into itself. You don't actually have to unplug that. Pops right off on that mount. Just remember, that goes back. It slides in on this mount. Now we just bought ourselves a little bit more real estate.
Just have to get this purge valve off for the most part.
Bunch of liberal sissies wearing gloves.
This guy's in the union. Oh.
Here,
Yeah, just hold it right there.
just disconnect it already, would you?
I am.
There she is, I think. Yes. Money. There we go. We didn't have to disconnect this either. All right, bring her out. Bring it. Oh, what are we caught on? Another connection at the bottom.
This must be a facelift issue.
Yeah.
You never peeled the plastic off your Mishimoto emblem over there.
Yeah, I know. I know that.
Don't do it.
Don't you dare.
Don't do it.
Don't you dare.
It's like your mom's appliances from the 90s, dude.
Disconnect this bad boy. Bring that tab back.
Take this opportunity with a garden hose to clean off your valves. Little snap guy.
There we go. Pull her out, brother.
Caught on something.
Again? No. Yeah, buddy. Good stuff, good stuff. We are probably halfway now at this point.
Just throw a light in there. See what's in your intake. Anything?
Anything good?
Oil.
A little blow by.
Tiny little pieces.
That cylinder's
this
partying.
cylinder.
What's going on in there?
Little party time.
Oh.
Like good. Well.
Oh, you know what? That doesn't look great, but
I thought cylinder 3 on these was the.
it's on this one. I don't know which one that is.
Thought whatever. I forget what it was, but I thought cylinder 3 was the trouble guy at some point, but that was in the forums and whatnot.
All right, intake is off. We'll probably take the opportunity right now to clean this out. This looks all right. You got a little bit of party sauce in there. That one's okay. That one's okay. Then you got this one, which looks a little questionable. But you know what? I think we're gonna ride it out. Y'all working hard over there?
I'm just looking at these beautiful wheels.
Yeah, what do you think about them?
Honestly, not bad. Like for winners,
Yeah, those are for winter.
not bad at all.
They're nicer than my nice set.
Yeah, cool as Joel.
Careful, those were a couple $100 now.
All right, here's the plate. We have all these screws on the outside. Just be taking that off. This should be our problem when it comes to the sound, the Hellcat sound. All right, here we go. We're gonna get this plate off. All right, here we are. That looks pretty nasty. The gasket is still on there. It was leaking maybe a little bit. Yeah, so this is where we're at the moment. Here's the front. And we're gonna get this gasket off. We're gonna clean the surface and get our new parts on. Get the nasty gasket out. Let's go get the new one. Well, we'll clean the surface and we'll get the new one, put it on. Here is our old, and here's our new. All right, I have our baffle plate all installed. Everything is torqued down to 106 inch-pounds, and I'm ready to get this thing all buttoned back up. All right, now that our intake manifold is off, we're just gonna be replacing these gaskets here while we're out and while we have it. I clean up everything. Throttle body's all good. And now I'm just gonna plug these out. All you really have to do for that is just pluck them out like so.
Super
Easy.
simple.
Part numbers will be in the description. Super easy. Now, just to give a better visual, this is the rear side of our intake manifold, obviously. Inside of this little socket, I guess, goes our PCV. Then this connector right here, you can see that little notch in there. That is slotted, as well as this one here. These rest here and right here. Then obviously this guy, this goes to your throttle body, like so. And we have our vacuum line from our blow-off valve to the blocked off sound supposer right here. Let's get this thing on and we'll wrap up this job.
Job well done.
Another job well done. Not just yet, but let's see if this thing has our beloved Hellcat noise. We'll see what happens. We have everything torqued down, everything all nice and neat somewhat. And yeah, let's turn this thing on and see what happens. Cold start. Well, I don't hear anything right now. If I ever do hear anything, then I'll be sure to let y'all know. Usually right there would happen, yeah. All right, go ahead, try it again. I don't hear it. Go to like 2K and that's it. All right, everything is wrapped up. As you guys heard, there was no whining, no Hellcat noises. So that's a blessing. Job wasn't too bad, and I want to thank my boys for helping me out, of course.
I got you.
Thank you, kind sir. Thank you for the good time. And you too, mister. Appreciate you.
That'll work.
Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I appreciate all of you watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.